In this video, we are going to see that if your payment has declined or failed in ChatGPT and it shows you this message, we are unable to process your payment, please try again or update your payment details or something like that. Here is a quick fix on how you can easily resolve this. First of all, let's go to the corner at the bottom left, click on the profile icon and head over to the settings. And from here, you have to find account option, that's right here. You click on that, and from here you have to find the billing option, that's right here. Click on that. And from here, if you're using the free version, you will see this upgrade option. Click on that. Whatever model you want to do or access or subscribe to, you'll choose that. I'll upgrade to Go, let's say. It will get your plan ready. And here it will open the payment option. So what you can do is, if you have already added a payment method and it doesn't work, make sure it is not turned off. The international remittance should be turned on actually from your application. So just make sure of that and make sure that you have the balance in that specific account. I always recommend you to use virtual accounts other than your main bank account for that. And also ChatGPT recommends that if your payment is still declined, even if you change the payment method to Visa, MasterCard or something else, just try changing different modes. Let's say if you have a Visa card and MasterCard, both. If Visa card is not working, try MasterCard. But if all of them failed, what you can do is just click on the three dots on the Chrome and click on Incognito window. From here, just open up that specific account again, log in with your account. So after that, you log in, and this means that there is no cache and no cookies here, so you should have no problem using your payment. So you go to the billing again, you try it again, and hopefully this should work this time. And if you're still facing the problem, maybe the problem is with the internet. So just try switching it to a different network. Also, just make sure that the time and date is synced correctly. If it shows the wrong time and wrong clock, it causes a lot of issues in the browser as well. So just make sure that if that thing doesn't work, just make sure that you disable all the VPNs you're connected to. And finally, what you can do is, if let's say you are only using one physical device like laptop or PC, just try doing the same thing on your phone and see if that works using the mobile data. And you can also try before on the laptop as well. Just switch to mobile data and hopefully that should work. So these are a couple of solutions that might work for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.